Good morning, everyone. Great news. I hope you're all fine and not causing mommy and daddy a lot of headache. Please be good children as we have trained you to be. Today we'll be continuing with our lessons on the introduction to MS Word, Microsoft Word. Right before us, this button over here, the one with the logo on, is what we call the Windows logo, or at times we call the Start button. It is the same as this button over here. See, they look the same. Good, great. They look the same. So that is the Start button or the Windows logo. Remember that always. Now to start Microsoft Word, all you need to do is to click on the logo. And then this is what you will see. Now to find Microsoft Word, the first step I would want you to take in going to Microsoft Word is just to type the word WORD, representing Word, on your keyboard. So on your keyboard you type WORD, and this is what you will get. You will search the computer and you would find Word appearing. This is how you find any other application on your computer. If you can't find it, just type out the application, it will appear. There's also another way, but we'll deal with that in the next lesson. So we will click on Word 2013. It means that the type of Microsoft Word I'm using is the 2013 edition. So it means that there were other editions before the 2013, and now we're in 2020, so it means there will be current editions apart from the 2013. So we'll wait for it to load. This is what we'll see next. Blank document being opened. So we will double click on the blank document because it's a new thing we are typing. So let's double click on blank document and see what happens. It's opened. Now this is Microsoft Word. Now I'd want to have a quick recap with you on some of the things we talked about the other time. Over here, where we see document 1 written, let's get a clear visual of that for you. Over here where you see document 1 written, yes, document 1 written is the title bar. That is the title bar. So now the document, because it's not saved, the default name or the name is document 1. But if you save it as Elisa, it means that the name will change and become Elisa, not document 1. At the bottom of that page, we have what we call the status bar. Now the status bar, what it does is that it counts the number of words that have been typed. That is what the status bar does. It counts the number of words that have been typed. So let me just press something on this computer. Let's see, I've typed some letters. Let's see what happens on the status bar. You see, it has counted the number of words. It says I've typed 1 word. Let me space it and add another. Let's see if it will say I've typed 2 words. Yes, it says I've typed 2 words. So now we know that the status bar counts the number of words that have been typed. Great. Now let's look at these things. You have the insert button, you have the design page layout. In our lessons, we get to know what all these buttons do, all these tabs, what they represent. Great. Now, this is a way of launching Microsoft Word. Now, when you come here, this button over here is called the minimize button. We did that last time. The one that follows is the maximize button or restore. So when you click on this, let's click on it and see what happens. Oh, it was reduced. Let's see if we can take it back where it was. We click on it again. It's been restored. So we call that the restore button. And this over here is the close button. So we have the minimize, the restore, and the close button. You click on the close when you want to exit the work you're doing. So let's click on close and see what happens. The computer is asking us if we want to save the work we just did. Because I typed out something, that is why it's asking. If I had not typed anything, it wouldn't have asked me if I wanted to save or not. So we click on don't save. So this is basically the steps in launching and exiting Microsoft Word. Remember, you go to Start, you type out the program you're looking for, and then from there you can proceed to do other things. Enjoy this video. We will discuss this further in our next session next week. Thank you and be good.